Hi! If you're an EXO fans, you know that about a month ago or so that EXO released their new album Obsession. So I actually ordered my 3 albums, one of each version off of smglobal.com. So SM Global, if you don't know what that is, it's actually it's like a US based store that sells a lot of SM official products as well as SM licensed products. So anything that's SM, that's all that involves their artists. So like EXO, Shiny, Super Junior, BoA, and all of that. So kind of like to the unboxing party, but here we go. So hopefully you'll see. So first I'll open up Obsession. Yeah. Oh, very good. So if you're following, so you know that they already unboxed it when they're be like, oh, they're V-Live. So you get, oh, so many things. So here's one photo book. A lyric book from the photos. Oh, there's the album and photos and lyrics as well. So, oh, there's 7. Group. I got a Chen photo card, and I got a Chenyo slide card as well. Ooh. Oh no. Oh. So it's everything. And then we get one of each member. So there's Baekhyun, Chen, Chanyeol, Kai, and last but not least. So this is the bottom under under the lyric book. Under the lyric book, and then you also get a oh, it's Baekhyun. Cool. So that's the EXO version. Okay, so I just finished opening the EXO version. So this is the EXO version, so it's their alter egos. Oh, I didn't show you the first one, but this is the front of the box, and this is the back. So each member has their alter ego. So let's see what's inside and who I got. If it opens. Okay. So ooh. Similar to the first one, you get a lyric book. Oh, okay. You got a lyric book. So lyrics of the songs, as well as photos. So there's sound and oh, sorry. I saw what I got. Sorry. And then there's Suho. And then group photo in the back. So my photo card, I got Suho. And then for this one, the slide that I got was sound. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? Sweet. Alright, so and then similar to the other version, you get photo books of each member. So there's Suho, Baekhyun, Chen. So happy. There's Chanyeol. Kai and Sun. And the poster. Who did I get? Oh! I got Chen! Pretty cool. Pretty big size. Nice. Okay, so the next one will be the Obsession version. So I think this is actually released later, so like sometime early December. I was actually on the SM Global shop website one day deciding whether or not to order these or pre-order these. But when I decided to pre-order to order the other 2 albums, this is actually up for pre-sale. So there's that. So let's see what's inside. So this is what you get. So EXO lyric book. Yes, lyric book with more photos. Oh, okay. And CD. Everything's falling out. So you get CD. You get a postcard. I got Baekhyun, and another photo card, which is I got Sehun this time. Then I think 2 folder posters. Yeah. So group. That one. And group as EXO. And then big one. Jen. Oh shit. Oops. Really? So like I guess it's the poster, those teaser photos that we got leading up to their comeback. So now in poster form. And then and then these 2 are just photo books. So one would be so one photo book of them as EXO, as X-EXO. Jesus Christ. So Chanyeol, there's a glare, sorry. And then next, the other one, is them as EXO. Oh, that one. Yay! Oh, some are upside down. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all 3 versions of the EXO Obsession album. Hope you liked it. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Hopefully I can order other things or acquire other things, not just EXO, possibly even Shiny, Super Junior, and other groups that I'm a fan of. And yeah, so hopefully see you next time.